Okay, hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see on how to deal with the natural logarithmic function. So here the notation of the natural logarithmic function can be written in form of y equals to ln x or ln x, where the value of your x here is supposed to be more than 0. If you put the value of x in a negative number or the value equals to 0, so your equation will be undefined. So here let us see on how to deal with the differentiation of ln x. So the formula given here is the differentiation with respect to x for the ln x here will be equals to 1 over x. Okay, so if we try to go for the extended formula, we are going to get here, if we try to differentiate the variable of x, but now your ln is in terms of u, where we are supposed to use the implicit differentiation there. So here we are going to get the value should be 1 over u du over dx. So this is the most important formula that we are going to use. So let us try to see the first example here. Let's say the question given here is y equals to ln 3x. So if we want to find the differentiation of it, or we want to find the value of your dy over dx here, we are going to actually use again the formula that I wrote just now. So let me put the formula here, where we are going to use the formula of d over dx of ln u will equals to 1 over u multiplied with du over dx. So based on the formula given there, we can actually change the equation into something like this, where we are going to put d over dx. This is actually the instruction for you to differentiate for the ln 3x. So by doing the comparison here, we can see that the value of u is now equals to the value of 3x. So what we can actually try to extract from the equation that we have here is, we can get the value of u equals to 3x. Then we can use this value to find the value of du over dx there, where if you try to differentiate 3x, we are supposed to get 3 there. So the value of du dx here is actually referred to the value of du over dx there. Therefore, what we can write here is, we are going to get, this is supposed to be 1 over u du over dx. So we can replace these two value, which is, we can replace the value of u. We can also replace the value of du dx here, which is, this is in a one term. You are going to get here equals to 1 over 3x multiplied by 3. So if you try to simplify the multiplication here, and you have a division there, so it will be 3 divided by 3 here. You can actually divide it so that it become 1. So the final answer will be 1 multiplied by 1, you are going to get 1. X here will be multiplied by 1, so you are going to get here x. So this is the final answer of your equation. Okay, you can try another example here. Let's see, here we deal with example number 2. Where we are going to get here, let's say the given equation here is y equals to the ln 3x, still the same thing, but I put here as a power of 2 there. So based on the formula, we can say that the value here is supposed to be u. So you are going to get here u equals to 3x to the power of 2. So the value of your du over dx will be equals to 6x. Okay, I suppose you already know how to differentiate this part. It is in your mathematics 1. And then you are going to get here the final answer for your dy dx is supposed to be 1 over u du over dx. So the value in red here, you can change it into this value. So you are going to get dy over dx is supposed to be 1 over u, whereas the value of your u is 3x squared. Then you multiply it with 6x, because 6x here is your du dx here. So you are going to get here multiply by 6x. So if you try to simplify it here, 6 divided by 3, it will be 2. So you're going to get here 2. And x divided by x power of 2, you are going to get here only x at the bottom. So you are going to get the final answer will be 2 over x. So this is your final answer. Okay, so I stop here for the first example. So let us see another video for the second one.